Hello everyone, welcome to another SMT tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be putting you through how to participate in Particle Testnet. Particle Network provide tools and resources for developers who wants to build their decentralized applications on their platform, right? They offer a number of Web3 infrastructure products that helps to make Web3 more accessible, right? Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're still yet to buy our educational token, WikiCat, you can still do that. The contract address will be right in the description. Okay guys, so let's dive right into this tutorial. Like you can see on our screen, we'll be using Mrs. Browser for this tutorial. So let's open Mrs. Browser. From here, we're going to head over to Particle platform. Over there, we'll be doing some engagement that will help us earn party points. These points could be considerations for future, rewards. So now let's go over to the platform. Paste, go. So once you're here, you select join. So the next thing is to connect our wallet. So we're going to come over here to connect Metamask. So select the wallet you want to connect and then next, confirm. Next is to input an invite code. So you can get an invite code from your friends or you can use the invite code in the description. So accept this. So next is to do all these tasks. So we're going to start by linking our X account. Authorize. Okay, so my Twitter account is linked. So next is to follow them on Twitter. Okay, so we're going to go back. Done. Next is to join their Discord. So join. Accept. Finish. Okay, I just joined. So let's go back. So as you can see, it says click to activate. So I'm just going to click. And then I have just created a universal account. Select click to launch. All right, guys, so let's scroll down. So we're going to select get party points. Okay, guys, so coming down here, over here are tasks to complete. So the first task is to check in. So you'll have to come on a daily basis to check in and then claim points. So you can go ahead by selecting check in. All right, so this is taking time to actually respond. So one thing I noticed about this site is that sometimes it is very buggy. It could take a very long time to actually load a command. Or sometimes you could even get, like now, you could get an error feedback, right? So just keep trying and trying over and over again. Remember that this is a test net and it could be normal to have bugs like this. All right, so coming to the next task, we're to deposit universal gas. So what we're going to do is we're going to deposit USDG, right? And then we're going to receive points for doing that. So come over to deposit. Okay guys, so we want to deposit some USDG to our universal account. And if you do not have Sepolia tokens in your wallet, you will not be able to do that, whether Optimism or Ethereum Sepolia. You can actually get that for free. The link to that will be in the description. However, you need to hold a minimum of 0.001 Ethereum in your Ethereum mainnet wallet before you can request for Sepolia tokens. All right, so as you can see, I already have 0.099 Ethereum, right? So I'm going to input the amount of Ethereum that I want to deposit as USDG. Okay, so then select deposit universal gas. All right, so you can see our deposit is successful. Let's go back. we have earned over 200 points, right? Okay, coming here, we're going to select open wallet. Okay guys, so this is your particle wallet and you can perform transactions on your particle wallet. So let's start with sending some test token to our particle wallet. Let's choose Ethereum and receive, copy address. Note that this is Ethereum Sepolia. So the token I'm sending must be on this testnet. So let's go to our Metamask wallet. So we're going to select send, input the address that we just copied, input the amount that we want to send, 0.02, and then next, confirm. Okay, so we have sent our Ethereum Sepolia to our particle wallet. So let's go over to our particle wallet. Okay guys, so you can see our funds have been deposited. We can also send to our Metamask wallet. So let's go copy our Metamask wallet address. Send, paste the address. Input the amount of Ethereum that we want to send. We can choose to use Ethereum or our USDG for gas fee. So let's use our USDG. Send. Alright guys, so this is taking so much time to be completed, but that's pretty much it. So let's go back. Alright, so you can see for every completed transaction, you will earn 50 points. So you want to come here to complete as many transactions as you can. Though the maximum is 100 transaction per day. Another way to earn points is by referring your friends. So coming here, you can copy your referral code, your invite code, and you can share with your friends. And as you can see, for each friend that you invite, you get 100 party points. So guys, you can also mint NFTs, right? If you have enough points to mint them. So come over here and then select booster. So these are various NFTs that you can mint. So for these, you need to hold at least 50,000 party points before you can mint this. So if you have enough party points, you can come over here to mint these NFTs. They could be valuable in the future, right? So guys, that's pretty much it. So I've shown you several ways you can earn points on this platform. Through referrals, performing transactions on your party wallet, and then checking in every day. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video. If you have questions, you can drop your questions in the comment section. And of course, do not forget to like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to be notified whenever we post a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.